This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about carafes, specifically these Bar Luxe plastic carafes with lids. There's two sizes, the 34 and 51 ounce, and they both come with these fantastic lids. They're made of sturdy, shatter-resistant plastic that will hold its shape even after use. They're especially great for things like poolside, beach, or spa service where customers might not be wearing shoes or wearing only things like slippers or flip-flops that might not provide protection from broken glass. You can prevent a lot of mishaps and accidents with these, and also reduce the need to replace more expensive glass carafes when they chip or break. They're perfect for serving wines, chilled juices, iced tea, mimosas, sangria, and the high-quality clear plastic will show off your beautiful drinks. They feature a sleek hourglass shape that's easy to grip and makes pouring a breeze. The included lids help to reduce spills and are easy to use just by flipping up that stopper. They're perfect for chilling on ice or keeping in the fridge between refills. And they're great for a variety of food service establishments like restaurants, hotels, and cafes, plus many more.